Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Streeter and this is the video response for Unit 1. So I earned my undergraduate degree at the University of Texas at El Paso. My major was liberal arts with a concentration in multidisciplinary studies. And under this major, I was able to choose a cohorted set of classes to focus on. So I focused on English. I initially wanted to become a high school English teacher, but things just didn't feel right, and that's not the path that I wanted to go on. So I started working at a community college, and that actually started my overall passion of what I wanted to do. So I am currently in APU's Physical Education Master's Program, where we're emphasizing in sports management. So far this program, has been eye-opening. It's awesome. This is actually my first step towards sports management and facility management, and I love it. And so I'm eager to learn more, of course. So I currently work at a community college where my role is extremely versed. I am a academic success coach for all of our student athletes. I basically help them understand what it takes to be a student athlete at the collegiate level. It's pretty cool to see the transition from high school into college. I help them prepare their class schedules, obviously helping them see the different elements of scheduling because of practice and game times. That's something that's completely new for high school students. So it's pretty cool to see them progress as the years go by. And then I help them transition out of community college into the four-year setting or whatever their educational or professional goal at that point is. Most recently, I'm working on expanding our learning community for our student athletes. So stay tuned. It's really cool. I've been working on it for about a year, and I'm really loving the progress that we have been making. And then lastly, as far as facility management, every year for the last 3 years, I've been in charge of the homecoming events for the football game. So I'm in charge of student staffing. Since I work with the students particularly, I have paid opportunities as well as volunteer work that they can obviously put on their resumes as well as their applications when it's time to transfer. I also deal with student counted tickets, if that kind of makes sense. So all of our students, they pay about $3 to $5 to get into any of the regular games, but around homecoming, if they're in specific programs or if they do something on campus, then I'm in charge of getting them student discounts. We can't let anyone in for free, unfortunately, but I've gotten the discounted price down to $1, which is really cool. I'm really excited about that. I'm working on seeing how we could get our students in for free for these specific type of games, but again, stay tuned. We'll see how that goes. And so there are 3 expectations that I have for this course. The first one is to learn and to retain everything. This is something that I really am passionate about, and I need this information, so I want to be able to take this with me when I progress in my professional endeavors. Number 2, I expect to ask a lot of questions. Again, this is not just a course for me. This is something that I really need to buckle down and learn and understand, so that way I am making the appropriate decisions when the time comes. And then lastly, I expect to build peer and business relationships throughout this class, throughout this course. So I know that this is an impacted course. I know that there's a lot of information, and I expect it to be challenging, but I always say I'm up for any challenge that's thrown my way. So yeah, welcome to facility management, and I can't wait to get started.